Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Want to create a stunning website for your restaurant? And this tutorial will guide you throughout the process of building restaurant websites using GoDaddy Website Builder. From showcasing your menu to adding reservation options, we've got you covered. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So guys, this video will be basically in three parts. The first part and the second part are going to be talking about how to make the website and how to set it up, and the third part is going to simply talk about how we can do the details of the appointment, details of your restaurant, etc, etc. So now let's start by creating our website. So how can we create our website in the first place? So go to godaddy.com. Make sure that you have an account created, then go to websites, as you can see right here. Make sure to choose the first option, which is Website Builder. Click on it, and as you saw there is a ticket that says free trial. So GoDaddy Website Builder has the option to have the free trial for a limited amount of time, so depending on how long you want to use it. You can start for free, and then once you try for free, you can start using the tools that they have, remove, add, and basically change stuff in it until you get the full experience that you will need to make a stunning website on a premium plan. So my advice to you is to never go to a premium plan until you finish designing, upgrading your experience, getting experience, and developing yourself on the free plan. After that, the premium plan with its facilities, with its easy to use stuff, will make it even better for you and will make you go much further. So these are the premium plans. So there's the basic for $10, there's the premium for $14.99, and the commerce for $20.99. Now these are the things that you have. So these are the details, but what you can tell, this is very important for you as a restaurant, is this one, the premium plan, because you will have book recurring appointments and online payments and deposits. These two things are pretty important, and also which comes with create and launch social ads, which will boost your restaurant basically popularity. So now for me, I have my website already bought, so I'm going to click on my products, go to the bottom of the site. As you can see, this is my store, so I'm going to click on manage, and then here on the left side I will find the website, and basically here this is the website that I have. What I'm gonna do is basically click on edit website. For you guys, you have to click on create website, and then they will take you to this page. Now after I did that, as you can see, this is the website and this is how it looks like. Now what you should do is to simply click on here, and as you can see, appointments. This is very important for us guys, because it will help us to make appointments in our website. So click in here, click on add, and as you can see, a whole section of appointments will be created for us. Now there is still many things to be added in details. So first of all, here we can change the layouts of the appointments, so they can be like that or like this, depending on what we are really looking for. So let's simply click on done. Here the title of this basically of this section, here the book button. So what does it say exactly? Book now, add now, order now, something like that. And these are the services that we need to add. So let's start by adding the services. So manage appointments. Here you can see your whole details about the appointment that you have, the client that are coming, the time, and basically everything that you will need. Now let's go to services right here, and as you can see, let me just wait a little bit, and yeah, let's go here. Let's basically load, and here we should add service. Now as restaurant, there is two ways of actually using GoDaddy. First of all is by clicking services, add service, appointments, service name, table of 3, duration 1 hour, category, and I don't know, description, nothing, reserve a table for 3 people, add image for example of the table, so restaurant table let's say for example this is the table, this is for 4 people, so whatever it is, let's just say here add image. Here I'm gonna click on got it, click on add images, and choose the image that we have chosen from Google. So insert, this is the image, let me just make it for 4. Here for people, here the amount, so amounts, let's choose here like that, for example $100 for reservation, and then no, it should be accept payments, not offline, request deposits. So here it should be $100, and then this money you'll get it later on, for example. So you just reserve the table for 100, and then whatever you spend from this $100, it's basically gonna get back to you. Or basically, let's say you ordered $100 or $18 or $80, I mean, so you'll get $20 back when you get to the restaurant. So this is basically it. Now the scheduling option requires customer to book in advance. Yep, in 2 days, 0 hours. Give yourself time after services, 10 minutes. Allow customers to reschedule online, yes, and then click on save. Something like that can be very worth it. Here you should choose, of course, your business location and add staff member, etc, etc. So this is for the services, and this is the first part of what you can do as a restaurant. Now restaurant, let's say for example you are a fast food restaurant or any restaurant, you could use basically the e-commerce style of this GoDaddy. So you can literally start selling your own food in here. How to do so? Click on website right here, go all the way down, store, add product. Here you should add product manually and then add a name. Let's choose for example pizza. Here I'm going to take this picture, and what I'm going to do, download it, save as, click here, add image again, here pizza, click on insert, this will be appearing right here, just wait for the file to load, and then click here, write pizza, the price, for example 25, let's say here product category, add food, let's add here food, and basically you simply have to save. And now we have added our menu on the website. So you can even make it much further by adding multiple stuff like multiple categories and stuff, such as pizzas, your dessert, your basically your main plates, etc, etc, etc. So you have a full website full of your products. When people can order, can really take a look inside of your menu right in here and know the prices, and then order it so you can deliver to them online. And yeah guys, that was basically it. Thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.